Quiet clicking for quiet environments. 2.4 GHz wireless freedom with storable nano receiver. Ambidextrous, contoured shape for either right-handed or left-handed users. High-definition optical sensor, 1000 dpi, for responsive control. Compatible with Windows 8.1, 8, 7 and Mac OS X. Plug-and-play installation with Nano USB receiver. Low battery indicator and on/off switch, 1 AA battery included. Built to last with a 5-year coverage. Quiet clicking for quiet environments. USB receiver located inside or along with the mouse. Significantly quieter than a standard mouse, it's ideal if you are using the device and don't want to disturb anyone, like your living room while the family watches TV or out in public during a conference presentation. Using a compact USB receiver provides the ultimate freedom and mobility for your mouse with a completely reliable connection so you can always be productive. The high-definition optical sensor tracks the mouse's movements on your desktop with smooth accuracy for optimal performance and productivity. Top reviews from the United States. Really is silent. This is great if you work in a quiet office so as not to disturb others while you are working. I was pleasantly surprised at how quiet this really is. I've been using it for about 4 months now and it's still working. Highly recommended.